I'm so glad you're here. Listen, did you know it's really important that we get 60 minutes of exercise every day?
What? I had no idea.
Yes, and most kids don't get that much. So I'm just stretching because I'm going to get a little workout in.
Oh, wow.
Do you want to join me?
Of course.
Oh, good. Okay, let's warm up.
All right.
Okay. Breathe out. The best exercise for your brain is exercise. Yep, that's right. And exercise builds really strong bones and muscles. It keeps your heart healthy and it makes you sleep better.
Oh, I need that.
I know. So if you want to boost your confidence, feel calmer, you've got to move for 1 hour every day.
Okay, I will.
You know what? Also, exercise can be really fun. It fosters teamwork.
Yes.
We love teamwork.
I love teamwork.
I think we should go get our teammates.
Let's do it.
Hey, Annie! You want to exercise with us?
That sounds great! Let's go. Did I hear exercising?
Yeah, girl, we're going to move our bodies.
Wait for me. Come in.
Hey, Shina. You know what's great for a brain break?
I don't know what.
Exercise!
Okay, I guess I can use a break. All those emails is just too much for me. Come on, guys, let's go.
To start, we're going to side step. Try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now we'll squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, we will daddy shark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, we'll do the cross leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, you're going to touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, we're going to see stars. So we're going to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now we're going to do our deep breathing called the rainbow. We're going to breathe in. And we're going to breathe out. We're going to do it again, guys. Breathe in. Breathe out. Blow all that away. And one more time. Breathe into your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Daddy shark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seeing stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time to breathe. Breathe in. And release. Let's do that again. Breathe in. Make those beautiful rainbows and release. And one more time, guys. Breathe in.